Okay, the new in Mexico. Now we're going to China. I'll be on Omi TV, traveling the world virtually. Is this Chinese or Japanese? I think Ultraman. Chinese, Japanese. This stuff expensive, man. Try living off exotic snacks. Oh man. One holding my phone up to drink from China. Coming up. Let me open the jump. Get the jump open. Get the jump open. It's so expensive, it's hard to open. This is steak flavor. I just bought these from my local store. Fire. They so fire for that. Oh, we got Skittles coming next too. So here we go. Exotic snack review of the Cheetos from maybe some Asian culture. I think it's Taiwan or China. It looks like Chinese. Ultraman got the things on there. I used to love Ultraman. I still love Ultraman. Let's see. Steak flavor. Let's see. Oh man. Wait a minute. It's weird. It's weird, chat. Wait a minute. It's weird. These are weird. They're weird. They do not taste like that. I'll say that. It tastes almost like nothing. Literally. It tastes almost like nothing. So, you know, I said a review of these, 7 out of 10. It tastes like nothing. I mean, you get that flavor though, but I mean, look how they look, and they trying to go for that. Shouldn't it be more like chiselly? But 7.3. It tastes like nothing. It tastes like air. Wow.